Hey guys, this is Kat from Sunset, Utah. Today we're going to be putting a receiver hitch on your Mazda 6. Your receiver hitch can take you to some really cool places like camping and biking. It can even tow a U-Haul trailer to just about anywhere in North America. Let's break this down. You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Now that we've finished our hitch and we're on level ground, we're going to get you some important measurements. I'm Kat, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.